Jason Mollak. I am the owner and operator of JPM Construction. I actually just enjoyed carpentry when I was younger, and when I was 18, I got a job with a local millwork company here. They trimmed production homes, so I got a job with them. I worked my way up from basically knowing nothing about it to becoming a manager and trimming thousands of homes a year.
My name is Lindsay Mollak. I have been with JPM Construction since the start. This is our 4th personal home build. I've always enjoyed designing and looking at new homes and walking through them and seeing what everyone's doing. Windows were huge for me on this build. I just wanted big, beautiful windows that would let all the light in.
We went with the Pella Reserve. About 8 years ago, we started working with them. We installed pretty much all Pella windows in those remodel projects, and they're great to work with. So installation of Pella products, I find it easier than other products because it's got the foldable flange.
I wanted something that was going to be sustainable, that was going to look nice, but also hold up. I also wanted things that were efficient. That's huge to me. Obviously, a big family is more expensive, so I didn't want to be worrying about how much we were spending on our heating bill and our air conditioning bill. And here in Nebraska, we have the highs of 100 and we have the lows of -40, I think we saw this winter. Pella has such a wonderful name around here. When you hear Pella, you know that it's going to be, first of all, affordable. Everybody wants to stay within budget. But second, look nice, and it's going to be quality. Quality is so important when you're building a house, and you want it to